Mother's Day is around the corner, and as you hunt for the perfect gift online, it's crucial to shop safely. Cybercriminals are on the prowl, using scams from fake offers to sham giveaways. Let's dive into the safest ways to make online purchases and protect your information. Firstly, ditch the debit card for online shopping. Linked directly to your bank account, it's a risky option. Instead, opt for a credit card or a third-party payment system like PayPal. Credit cards have robust fraud monitoring, and companies like Capital One offer virtual credit cards, providing an extra layer of security without exposing your real card details. But that's not all. Ensure you're visiting legitimate websites, steer clear of too good to be true offers, and never click on promotional links and emails. Protect your browsing with a VPN, avoid saving payment information, use unique logins for loyalty accounts, and set up purchase alerts with your bank. Remember, your personal safety online is just as important as your business's. If you're concerned about your company's cybersecurity, take advantage of a free network security assessment. Don't let cybercriminals compromise your hard work. Secure your network today by booking your assessment or calling 865-909-7606.